Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of November Criminals on Blu-ray. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. Little product piece, little. You guys want to read that, you guys can. Some thumbnails. And then bonus features. And let's get to the unboxing. Here's the packaging, and now we'll open it up. And here's the inside, with just the disc and no inserts. And I'll pop out the disc so you guys can see what the disc looks like. This is what the disc looks like up close. And yeah, guys. That is my unboxing of November Criminals on Blu-ray. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you guys did, drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this. And yeah, guys, peace.